I oversee budget, cost, schedule controls, and change controls for the project. I manage a $155 million contingency budget. I oversee many construction processes, get involved in claims and budget issues with contractors. The Central Corridor project is a $957 million project. It's the largest public works project in Minnesota's history. We have about 8 or 9 construction contracts. We have 2 heavy civil contracts. We call them Civil East and Civil West. We have a systems contract which goes along the length of the corridor. We had a couple of earlier contracts, an advanced utilities contract, an advanced traffic contract. We have a fare collection contract and operations and maintenance facility construction contract. We have been using eBuilder for about a year and a half. We have dozens of processes implemented at this point. We use the change process extensively. We have a request for change proposal process that we send to the contractor. We have an independent cost estimate process that stems off of the change process as well. We have 3 different types of change order request processes that feed into the change process. We use it for RFIs and submittals, daily reports. We manage quality reports in there. We manage safety reports. Correspondence is huge. We do all of our correspondence back and forth to the contractor within eBuilder. We have very complex processes and procedures at the Met Council, very complex. We have to interact with funding partners, project partners, the University of Minnesota, the cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul, Ramsey and Hennepin County, the state of Minnesota, and there's lots of people that are interacting, lots of people that have to look at certain pieces of the project itself, approve certain pieces. And so we've got to be able to structure the workflow to match what we're doing. So it's very important to be able to design it and tweak it the way we need it to work for us. The biggest thing for me from a manager's perspective is being able to have visibility into the project at any moment in time, any hour of the day. I can go in, I can see, for example, an independent cost estimate that would be within my group in project controls. I want to see whose court it's in, and what the estimates are, and if it's something I need to follow up on. We know what correspondence is there that we're going to use when we get to that point. We just had a correspondence come in a couple of weeks ago. Interestingly enough, the letter was dated a month prior to when eBuilder stamped it. So we know actually when we received that letter, it was not in August, it was in September. So it's things like that. Those dates are really key, and the contractor's trying to backdate, but we've got the stamp that shows it was September. Things within eBuilder that are going to help us control the claims. Additionally, we've been able to give some controls to some of our other managers who want to be able to approve a change order before it ever goes to the contractor. So we implement a step where that construction manager approves every single change order that goes through. So that's been very critical to our operations.